Hey everyone! Have you ever turned on your TV and noticed annoying vertical lines running down the screen? If so, you're not alone. Let's get started. Here's what I'm talking about. These vertical lines could be colored bands, black bars, or flickering streaks. But be careful. If your screen is cracked or shattered, this method won't help. That's physical damage. But if your screen is intact and just has lines, there's a good chance you can fix it. Now, let's look inside. Unplug your TV first and carefully remove the back cover. Inside, you'll see the power supply board gives power to the TV. The main board, the brain of the TV. The T-Con board controls how the screen displays images. But the real problem is often with the ribbon cables connecting the screen. These small yellow ribbon cables send signals to the screen. If there's a weak connection or corrosion, you'll see vertical lines. Watch this when I press here with a pencil eraser. See that? The lines disappear. That means we have a bad connection. So let's fix it. Solution 1. The tape trick. Here's a quick fix. Take a small piece of tape, bunch it up a little, and place it right on the weak connection. When you reassemble the TV, the pressure from the cover will hold it in place, improving the connection. This simple trick has saved thousands of TVs. Solution 2. Cleaning the connection. If you see dust or corrosion, grab a toothbrush and some isopropyl alcohol, not water. Gently clean the area, and then let it dry completely before turning the TV back on. This removes dirt that might be blocking the signal. If your vertical lines are gone or improved, you fixed it. If not, the issue might be with the T-Con board or the screen itself. And that's it. 2 simple ways to fix vertical lines on your TV without spending a fortune. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.